A car rams into a house at Kolwa in Goa. According to sources, the sad incident occurred at around 2:30 am. The car damaged the front side of the house as seen in the visuals. The driver of the vehicle escaped with minor injuries. Police have registered a case and the driver was taken for medical checkup. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.